Ever look at an animal and think, are you sure you're from Earth? It feels like nature has its own sci-fi department, cooking up creatures so bizarre they could star in the next blockbuster from another galaxy. Today, we're diving deep into the animal kingdom as weirdest corners to uncover the 5 most alien-looking animals on our planet. Trust me, you won't believe these are real. So, buckle up, because we're about to meet some real-life extraterrestrials, right here on Earth. Our countdown begins in the ancient lakes near Mexico City with a creature that seems to have forgotten how to grow up. Meet the axolotl, number 5 on our list. Often called the walking fish, this isn't a fish at all, but a salamander with a Peter Pan complex. It stays in its larval, tadpole-like form its entire life, a phenomenon known as neoteny. Look at that goofy, permanent smile and those frilly, feathery gills branching out from its head like a bizarre crown. It looks like a Pokémon brought to life. But the axolotl's alien-like appearance is just the beginning. Its true superpower is something straight out of science fiction: extreme regeneration. If an axolotl loses a limb, no problem. It'll just grow a new one perfectly. But it doesn't stop there. It can regrow damaged parts of its spine, its heart, and even portions of its brain. Imagine being able to regenerate brain tissue. Scientists are fascinated by this ability, hoping to unlock its secrets for human medicine. Its almost immortal-like healing factor combined with its otherworldly look easily earns it a spot on our list. It's not just an animal, it's a biological marvel that challenges our understanding of what's possible. From the lakes of Mexico, we now plunge thousands of feet into the abyss, to a world of crushing pressure and eternal darkness. Here, at number 4, we find a creature so cute and strange it seems designed by a cartoonist. Say hello to the Dumbo octopus. Its name comes from those adorable ear-like fins on the sides of its head, which it flaps gracefully to propel itself through the water, just like Disney's flying elephant. It's the deepest living octopus known to science, thriving in environments where most life can't survive. Watching a Dumbo octopus move is like watching a ghost. Its semi-translucent, jelly-like body floats and drifts with an ethereal grace. Unlike other octopuses that use jet propulsion, the Dumbo relies on its ears, making it look less like a sea creature and more like a gentle, friendly alien exploring a foreign planet. Its large, expressive eyes seem to stare out from the deep, holding ancient secrets of the ocean's darkest corners. It doesn't have an ink sac because, well, in the pitch-black depths, what's the point? It's a beautifully strange, almost cartoonish being from a world we can barely imagine. Coming in at number 3 is a creature that looks like it walked straight out of the dinosaur era. Head to the swamps and marshes of tropical East Africa, and you might encounter the shoebill stork. And encounter is the right word, because this bird is intimidating. Standing up to 5 feet tall with an 8-foot wingspan, its most striking feature is its massive, shoe-shaped beak. This clog-like bill is sharp, powerful, and ends in a vicious hook, perfect for catching its slippery prey. But it's the shoebill's stare that truly feels otherworldly. Its large, forward-facing eyes are piercing and seem to look right through you with an unnerving, prehistoric intelligence. Add to that its slow, deliberate, almost statue-like movements. It can stand perfectly still for hours, waiting for the right moment to strike. When it does, its attack is sudden and violent. The combination of its fossil-like appearance, its eerie stillness, and that terrifying, powerful beak makes the shoebill feel less like a bird and more like a visitor from a long-lost time, an avian alien hiding in plain sight. Now, for number 2, we travel to the rainforests of Central and South America to find an animal that offers a window into its own soul. Literally. Meet the glass frog. At first glance, it might look like a typical small green tree frog, but flip it over, and you'll see something astonishing. Its underside is completely transparent. You can see right through its skin to its internal organs. You can watch its little heart beating, see food digesting in its stomach, and observe the network of blood vessels that keep it alive. It's like a living, breathing anatomy lesson. This incredible transparency is a form of camouflage. When the frog rests on a green leaf, the see-through skin helps its outline blend in, making it incredibly difficult for predators to spot. At night, it becomes even more ghost-like. Its ability to be see-through makes it one of the most unique and alien-looking creatures on the planet. It's a fragile, jewel-like animal that redefines what it means to be open and vulnerable. The glass frog reminds us that nature's most mind-bending designs are sometimes hidden in its smallest packages. And now, for our #1 most alien-looking animal on Earth. We return to the crushing blackness of the deep ocean to meet a creature that nightmares are made of. This is the goblin shark. Often called a living fossil, this species has been swimming in our oceans for an estimated 125 million years, meaning it shared the planet with dinosaurs. And it looks every bit as ancient and terrifying. It has a long, flattened snout that looks like a blade, and its skin is a pale, pinkish gray because it lacks pigment in the sunless depths. But its truly alien feature is its jaw. The goblin shark has a unique ability to extend its jaws dramatically forward, almost like the xenomorph from the movie Alien. When prey comes near, its jaws shoot out from under its snout with lightning speed to snatch the unsuspecting fish or squid. This protrusible jaw mechanism is horrifying and utterly unique among sharks. Seeing it in action is like watching a horror movie unfold in real life. Rarely seen by humans, this deep-sea phantom with its bizarre snout and nightmarish jaws is, without a doubt, the most alien-looking creature we've found on our own planet. A true monster of the deep. From regenerating salamanders to see-through frogs and prehistoric sharks, our planet is home to some truly incredible creatures that stretch the limits of our imagination. It just goes to show you that you don't need to travel to other galaxies to find aliens. You just need to look a little closer at the amazing and sometimes bizarre life right here on Earth. Which of these animals did you find the weirdest? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the wild and weird. If you enjoyed this and want to see more incredible nature content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Until next time, stay curious.